Snowfall warning.
Southeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania.
Holy shit.
Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania. Eastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 9:15 a.m. At 8:37 a.m., a dangerous squall was located along the line extending from near Belvedere to Bloomsbury to East Greenville to Workersville, moving it at 55 miles per hour. Hazard. 25 to 30 knots with gusts up to 40 knots.
Oh, that's Montreal too.
Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcams. Impact, travel will become difficult.
996 is almost here.
Within minutes. This includes the following highways. Northeast extension between mile markers 33 and 56. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 54 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 41. Interstate 48
I was outside waiting for my 996.
Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 6 and 11. Locations impacted include Allentown, Reading, Easton, Morristown, Somerville, Somerset, Bethlehem, Bridgewater, Pottstown, Dover, Madison, Hopatcong, Forks, Middlesex, Roaring Park, Enna, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Wyman, and Bound Brook. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected. The current time is 8:41.
Okay.